This is the FFR Trading Market Minute. Again, we're looking at a daily candlestick chart of the SPY, and we talked about the divergence that we were seeing. Again, that was from the monthly chart, and maybe we're starting to see a little bit of that play out here. So again, we had the higher highs in price, and you can see the RSI made a lower high during that period, and you can see it's coming off here. So back to the daily chart. If you look though, as we've sold off, we've hit that next support, and you can see the market is trying to hold that level. It's coming back. The RSI is just, it started the mid-morning anyway. It was below 5. So I won't be surprised if we get a bounce here, maybe back to the 20-period moving average. Depending on how we close today, right? So it's 12:36 Eastern time, so we got some hours before the market's going to close here. Again, I'll see where that RSI is. If it does close, we'd have to move back lower. But if they do close at below 5, that would probably be another buying point, just like it was here, right? Like here, like here, like here, right? These are all potential buying points because the market is still overall bullish here. But I would expect just a bounce, like I said, maybe back to the 20-period moving average. So again, if we don't close, or if we kind of close where we are here, and we're not quite below 5 here, we're at about 550 here. So if it got below 5 at the close, then I would expect a rally. If we don't get below, it might still rally from there, but it's not something that I would set up in terms of, buying at that level. Not unless we get a clear close below the that 5 level on that RSI there. So we'll see how that plays out. Again, the upside target is still there around that 700. Your next support is down here. So we'll just have to see how this plays out. You can see we've had these pullbacks, right? They've been, fairly shallow, compared to what we had back here. So we'll see if if they can kind of close back above the support here. And if they do, try to, push things back up to the moving average there. Economic data set for release. Tuesday's retail sales. Wednesday, we've got the CPI. Hope that helps. Have a great rest of your trading week. We'll see you back next week in the FFR Trading Market Minute.